Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we'll take a look at the brand new Galaxy Z Fold6, but more specifically we'll take a look at how you're able to still use your phone while doing reverse power share. So as you know, with a regular candy bar phone, you turn on reverse power share, you have to lay it face down, place your thing right here, which could be your watch or your buds. I wouldn't suggest doing another phone, but as you are charging something, you are face down where you can't use your phone. Unless if you somehow try to jerry-rig it and you hold on to it and still use the phone, but hold on to whatever you're charging on the back, it's just not really that great. So what you're able to do on the Galaxy Z Fold6 is that when you pull down your settings and you head over to your reverse power share, you turn this one on, and it will actually tell you just to flip it upside down. And once you do that, now it's pretty much getting ready to charge whatever device you're trying to do. So for this one, I just have the buds. It's sitting right there. It is currently charging. Now, once it starts charging, you can double tap the screen, swipe it, unlock it, and you're able to use it. Now, once you have your phone unlocked, again, we are still charging. You can't see the little red dot, but there is a little red dot sitting there. As you pull down, it's stating that it's sharing your phone's power. So there we go. We are wirelessly, charging another device. So that means that you can go over here, you can go inside of your Gmail, you can shoot off some emails, you can listen to music, you can still watch YouTube, pretty much do anything and everything that you would want to while also charging your accessory. Now, if you wanted to know where some of the settings are for your wireless power share and such, once you go inside of your settings, this is where you go inside of battery. And as you scroll on down towards the bottom, this is where you have your charging settings and also your wireless power sharing. Right there is where you can tap it. This is where you can turn it on, you can turn it off, and you can even change the settings down here. So you're able to wirelessly charge all the way until your phone's battery goes down to 30%. You can change it to 40 or 50 just to ensure you have enough battery life when it comes down to your phone. But that is pretty much it. Once you turn it on, you flip your phone upside down, you have your screen right here. You have to charge it first, then you double tap, and now you're able to use your phone. Once you take this thing off, then what you're able to do is you can head right back over here, unlock your device again, and you're using it as normal. So hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. Maybe you have learned something with this video, and if you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe at the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a